Hi all, Dmitry is here, and in this video I want to demonstrate you how my software to automatically adjust brightness according to external light intensity works. So here we have two computers with daemon installed and running. Here we have ESP32-based environment sensor. It has a photovoltaic cell and it sends current environment parameters such as temperature, humidity, air pressure, CO2 level and brightness to the MQTT server. On these computers I have installed and running a Golang daemon which reads that environment light level and automatically adjust brightness. So if I will lower the bright level on the desk, as I hope you can see, brightness will automatically decrease. So let's try it. I hope you can see this in camera. And let's try to increase light level. And now I will turn light off and manually light sensor with a flashlight. Let's try. As you can see, both screens become dimmer and hop. Thank you for watching. You can find links to this software for the PCs and for the ESP32, in links below this video. Thank you. Bye.